Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales with a tune-up report here for Gilbert in Kentucky on the Galaxy DX55F. Number one, Gilbert got it ready to go for you, bud. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Set at 1 watt in case your guys decide to run an amp. 5 watts all the way up, he can safely run it there all the time. 50-watt slug. Show you average power first. Low 25 bird. Peak low 50 watt PEP exactly. Stay tuned and we'll be right back for number two. And we're back with number two, Galaxy DX55F. Let's get right to it. Hard power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Again, 1 watt all the way down. 5 all the way up. 50-watt slug. Average power low 24 bird. Peak power low 50 on the money. Alright, Gilbert, they're ready to come to you. I hope he enjoys them for your friend truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bomb bomb.